Hi everyone, I'm Roshni and you're watching Property Cloud. Today we are going to talk about a premium villa style residential project located in the rapidly growing Hennur Road corridor of North Bangalore. The project is called La Vita. If you're looking for a privacy of an independent home, the comfort of a gated community, and the convenience of living close to major employment hub, then this project is definitely worth considering. In this video, we will talk about project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers, and much more. So let's start with the project overview. La Vita is an exclusive low-density row house development that brings together luxury, privacy, and contemporary design. Spread across approximately 3 acres, the project offers just 63 luxury row houses, creating a private and peaceful residential environment. The homes features a ground plus 2-floor structure and are designed as spacious 4 BHK luxury row houses, making them ideal for families looking for an independent living experience without compromising on community amenities. The expected possession timeline for the project is July 2026, making it an attractive option for buyers looking for a near-ready premium home. One of the key highlights of La Vita is its low-density planning, which allows residents to enjoy greater privacy, more open space, and a more exclusive lifestyle. Talking about the location, so La Vita is strategically located off Hennur Road, one of the North Bangalore's fastest growing residential corridor, and the project offers excellent connectivity to major business hub, social infrastructure, and the airport, making it specially attractive for professionals and frequent travelers. Hennur Road is approximately 5 minutes away from the project, providing easy access to nearby residential and commercial hub. Outer Ring Road can be reached in around 15 minutes, while Manyata Tech Park is approximately 15 to 20 minutes away, making daily commutes easier for IT professionals. Hebbal is located around 20 minutes from the project and serves as one of the city's key connectivity hub. For those who travel frequently, Kempegowda International Airport can be reached in approximately 30 to 35 minutes. With its strong connectivity and growing infrastructure, the location offers both convenience and long-term investment potential. Moving on to the lifestyle offerings, La Vita comes with a carefully planned selection of amenities designed to enhance everyday living. Residents will have access to the clubhouse, swimming pool, fully equipped gym, landscape garden, and a jogging track for recreation and wellness. Overall, the project delivers a comfortable and premium lifestyle while maintaining the exclusivity of a low-density residential community. Now let's talk about the pricing and configuration. So La Vita offers exclusively 4 BHK luxury row houses with the sizes ranging from 3,248 square feet to 3,260 square feet, and the pricing starts from 5.70 crore rupees onwards. The rate is approximately 16,500 rupees per square feet. With premium specification, thoughtfully planned layout, and an exclusive community setting, these homes are designed for buyers looking for high-end residential experience in North Bangalore. Coming to the booking process, so it is simple and smooth. The first step is to schedule a site visit and explore the available homes. Once you have selected your preferred villa, you can proceed with a token amount payment. After that, the required documentation can be completed to move forward with the booking. Villa-style developments in rapidly growing corridors like Hennur Road continue to attract strong buyer interest because of their lifestyle appeal, appreciation potential, and a growing rental demand. For brochure, pricing, detail, payment plan, or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link in the description. And if you enjoy such premium property videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and much more.